So what do we got coming up for taste tests? This product was so weird at the deli, I just had to get some to try. Got a half a pound, $6.99 a pound though. But remember, when I was young, you ate what we call luncheon meats. Now they call them deli meats because you couldn't afford to buy, steak and all these other things. Now, these are more expensive sometimes. $6.99 a pound. But this is maple blueberry turkey. Seems strange. Then I got pepper jack cheese. You see some peppers in it. And here's an interesting. I'm going to do this for a meal. I didn't see what the price was on this. Cooks in 7 minutes. Easy Street Tacos. Make your authentic style, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Put that in it. And let's see if we can find $6.99. This was, and you're going to serve them in tacos. Or that's not too bad for a dinner. And there's 3 of us. This is more than normally. There's 2 of us. Excuse me. My wife doesn't eat anymore. She has really bad dysphagia, and she can't take anything in her mouth or drink anything. It all goes through a tube that goes into her stomach. Fun stuff, huh? So this is 140 calories, and there's 5 servings. Now, to realistically look at this, if we took, you would take 5 times 140 and divide it by the number of servings you're actually going to get. And, I don't know, this could be 4 servings, I don't know. It weighs 1.25 pounds, so maybe it would. And here's my thing. We're going to try one up right now. Okay, I'm pre-diabetic. I've got the sugar meter that, you don't have to do that when you're just diabetic. Kind of keep watch of it. And it has helped inspire me to diet. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to replace, I've been trying to incorporate salads a lot. In other words, salads are, they're bulky. And they don't carry a lot of calories, unless, of course, you put all of the dressing that's in here. But the idea is to fill you up a little, so you don't just keep eating like, the taco meat or, whatever other high-calorie food you might be eating. And so this it says 4 servings times 160. So that, and then, this might be, I usually don't eat salad instead of something else. It's more eating salad with it. But I thought that this morning, instead of, eating nothing, or just, going to a fast food place where you can get 1,000 calories or 3,000 calories in one meal. It's ridiculous. And they're not the good calories either. So diabetes is about, for pre-diabetic, it's about keeping your blood sugar levels lower and not creating spikes. And there's certain foods that create these big spikes. And then you're getting into the zone where your body can't handle that much sugar. And once you become diabetic, then you're forced to, depending what type of diabetes is, having insulin or some different things like that, shots even. But hopefully we'll get that far. I've lost 15 pounds on this thing with using the meter and kind of watching what I'm eating and having a little more motivation. It's funny, dieting is all about motivation. You can't diet because you don't want them. Face it. It's just about the only reason. But when you want it bad enough, you can do it. That's why people that could never have success dieting have like a heart attack, and all of a sudden you see them in a few months and, they have lost 150 pounds. Well, something serious happens. You can get all the motivation you need to stop. So we're going to mix this up. I bought a bowl with me. I'll bring it out here in just a second. This is Fresh Express. This is from Hannaford's supermarket, and they're running special rather than it being, $2.99 or $3.29. They're 2 for $5. So money savings. I might not have a big enough bowl here, but we'll try our best here. And we have the accessory packet. Not accessory, but it's got the dressing, and sometimes it will have some topping. It has fried wontons strips. And like I say, you can control the amount of calories by the amount of dressing you put in. Asian Oriental, it says on it. It's got some other codes, probably packing dates and things. That factory it was in. So let's see if there's it appears to be an easy tear spot there. No, maybe not. Oh, here it is over here. And we're going to dump it all in. And we're going to brought a fork too. We're going to mix it up first with this before I put the topping on, which I also will mix in, but you want to get the salad well dressed. I watch these cooking competitions and things a lot. Sometimes that's a big criticism, that the salad isn't properly dressed. So to be properly dressed, it has to be the compatible flavors or whatever to what your dish or the salad is. But plus, they have to actually be coated. And you get some that are dry and some that are not. You're probably not going to win. But it does make it more pleasant to eat if it's on everything. And do we have a tear here too? Come on. Come on. No. Oh, that wasn't hard to open. So. And of course you'd have to keep this cool. I'll be going home and I could stick it in the fridge, but let's try it. It's really good. It tastes like the vinegar and the sweetness all at the same time. Let's try one with some wontons. Good. But there we go. The amount you chew also affects how full you feel. So another reason salad is good is because it requires more chewing than, say, a big Whopper does. There we go. Onward, onward.